Hello guys, my name is Ayberk Yavuz. I'm a senior machine learning engineer and I will introduce you how to Dockerize a machine learning model server. Before we begin, let's start with why to use Docker. Docker basically solves developers "it works my machine" headache. Developing applications today requires so much more than writing code. Multiple languages, frameworks, architectures, libraries, and so on for each lifecycle stage creates enormous complexity. Docker isolates a single application and its dependencies. All of the external software libraries and the app requires to run both from the underlying operating system and from the other containers. Docker simplifies your workflow while giving developers the freedom to innovate with their choice of tools, application stacks, and deployment environments for each project. Let's have a look at the project. But first, we need to download this project from GitHub. To do that, I click the code and copy this URL. I open my code editor, which is PyCharm. I hit the get from version control and I paste the URL here and hit the clone button. Yes, I have the project on my local machine. Let's have a look at the project files. Under models folder, we have random forest iris model pickle file, which is a machine learning model for iris dataset. And we have iris target label encoder pickle file. Here we have requirements.txt file, which includes versions of required Python packages for the project. ML server module is the most important file for the project because ML server module is responsible for serving random forest model as a REST API. So, client applications can access random forest model predictions. The main logic of the project is to Dockerize ML server module. Therefore, we have Docker file. By using this Docker file, we can isolate the ML server application. Let's Dockerize the ML server application. I have already created a Docker deployment instructions for you. You can find these instructions from README.md file. Let's open the terminal. It is opened. Let's cd the project folder. Let me start the Docker. It's opening right now. Docker desktop is running. And let me build the Docker image. It's building right now. It is done. Let's have a look at the Docker images. This is our image, and let's run the ML server from the Docker. It's done. We can consume the service that we created. Let's consume the APIs. Let me open Postman application first. Let's test the get method of ML module. As you can see, it is working. Right now, we can test the post method of ML module. Actually, we will give the values of features and get the prediction of the learning algorithm. It is working. Now, we can stop Docker. And let's free up all the resources that the Docker container uses. This is the end of our video. Thank you for watching.